In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, or Samsung Galaxy S26. If you accidentally deleted an important message, don't worry, you can easily recover it within a limited time. This method is super helpful if you've deleted messages by mistake, archive chats instead of deleting them, want to recover important conversations. Follow these step-by-step guide. First, open the Messages app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right. Here, you'll see two important options: archived messages, trash. First, recover archived messages. Tap on archived messages. You'll see a list of chats that were archived. To restore them, tap and hold the conversation. Tap the unarchive icon at the top. Now your message will be back in your inbox, just like before. Second, recover deleted messages from trash. If you actually deleted the message, go back and tap on Trash. Here, you'll find messages stored for up to 30 days. After 30 days, messages are permanently deleted. To restore the old messages on your Samsung phone, select the message. Tap Restore. And that's it. That's how you can easily restore deleted or archived messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series.